How do you know if you're getting a good deal? When you get a house, the first thing to be aware of is that not just the price that you are paying. The definition of getting a good deal is a relationship between the purchase price, the terms of the deal, and where the property is located. Your real estate agent needs to break it down into several different factors. Obviously, the purchase price. Are you getting a home or at below or its current market value? What are the terms that you are getting? Are you entering the deal with a low cash out of pocket, meaning you are acquiring an asset that will grow in value with very little out of your own pocket? If you can do that, you're really starting off on the right track. Now the terms. Are you getting your closing costs covered? Are you getting repairs? Are you getting seller to pay the upgrade to upgrade the house? These are all important when defining a good deal. Lastly, where is the home located? If you're getting an asset that is in a desirable and established area, meaning that you're getting a home in a neighborhood with a nice community feel, community park, nearby stores, Whole Foods, Starbucks, and both commercial and residential buildings nearby. These are great indicators that you bought a piece of real estate in the area that is likely to continue to increase in value over time and make you a wealthier as a homeowner. So these are the signs you got a good deal. Now, if you want to get a good deal and you want to work with somebody, the best of the best, call us. We are very good at what we do, and we would like to see our clients do good in any type of market.